Hi there, I'm Frank with Easyflex. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly connect an Easyflex gas connector to your gas range. Welcome back. Let's get started. But first, make sure the size of the gas connector is correct, since not all gas range brands are built the same. Please be sure to check the owner's manual from the appliance manufacturer. Before we start, we must make sure the gas valve on the stub out is completely shut off. If the stub out does not have a gas valve, the gas must be shut off at the main source. Connecting a gas connector to a gas range is a fairly simple job. If I can do it, so can you. Now let's make sure we have all the parts and tools that are required for this job. I'm very clumsy and I lose things all the time. So making sure everything is ready to go is very important. Here is what you need: Easyflex gas connector, Easyflex straight ball valve, 2 adjustable wrenches, PTFE tape for gas or thread sealant, leak detection solution or soapy water, nylon brush, wire brush, and a towel. Okay, let's start. Step 1. Remove the leftover sealant residue or PTFE tape from the previous installation on the gas valve with the wire brush. After the residue is completely removed, apply the new PTFE tape to the fitting that connects to the gas ball valve. A maximum of 3 to 4 loops of PTFE tape is needed for a perfect seal. Using more tape than this can compromise the seal. Connect the gas fitting to the ball valve by using 2 wrenches, one securing the ball valve and the other one turning the fitting clockwise until the seal is firm and tight. Step 2. Connect the Easyflex gas connector to the gas fitting using 2 wrenches, with one securing the fitting and the other one turning the nut clockwise until the seal is firm and tight. PTFE tape is not needed here and cannot be used. Step 3. Connect the other end of the gas connector to your gas range. Some ranges have male connections while others have female. Our range here has a female connection, so apply 3 to 4 loops of PTFE tape to the male end of the gas fitting and connect it to the range. Using a wrench, make sure the connection is firm and tight. Next, connect the gas connector to the fitting using both wrenches, with one securing the fitting and the other turning the connector nut until the seal is firm and tight. Step 4. This is the step to check the connection for any leaks. Slowly open the gas valve and apply the leak detection solution or soapy water on the threaded area. If you see any bubbles, immediately close the gas valve and tighten the connector a little bit more. Retest for bubbles. If bubbles continue appearing, close the gas valve, disconnect the gas connector from the valve, and reapply the sealant and reconnect the gas connector and retest for bubbles again until none appear. Once the leak test confirms there are no leaks and no smell of gas, you can safely turn on your range and the installation is complete. Here are some Easyflex tips to help you out. Tip number 1. Make sure the brand of the connector fittings is the same as the gas connector. Failure to do so will go against the CSA certification for this product and can lead to a leak and/or damage to the fittings. Tip 2. Did you know you should never reuse a gas connector or fitting? Even if the used connector and/or fitting looks new, do not use it, as it can compromise the seal and cause a leak. Tip number 3. Did you know PTFE tape is sufficient for sealing a fitting? We recommend PTFE tape because it is easily removable, unlike some liquid-based sealants that need solvents or chemicals to remove them. I hope I was able to show you how to properly connect an Easyflex gas connector to your gas range. Just make sure you buy the correct size connector for your range and don't forget to turn off the gas before you start the job. All the links to our products are in the video description below, and if you still have questions, give us a call. We'll be more than happy to help. For more Easyflex videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.